दोन उपमुख्यमंत्री नेमप म्हटल्यार गोंयकारांची फकाणां करप, ताका संविधानाची मान्यताय ना। ही फकत पैशाचो गोबर करपाची कर्मां, हे मत उक्तायलां गोंयचे नामनेचे संविधान तज्ञ ॲडव्होकेट क्लियोफात आल्मेदा कुतिनोन।
युती सरकारांतल्यान घटक पक्षाच्या दबावाक लागून भाजपाचेर दोन मुख्यमंत्री नेमपाची पाळी आयली। मनोहर पर्रीकार वतकीत डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत मुख्यमंत्री जालो तेन्ना निर्माण जाल्ली ही परिस्थिती। संविधानात ताका परवानगी ना देखूनच मोगोचो फुडारी सुदीन ढवळीकार आनी गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो मुखेली विजय सरदेसायाक सोबत दितना फकत मंत्री म्हणून दिलो। उपरांत एक अधिसुचोवणी काडून ते उपमुख्यमंत्री म्हणून आसतले असे जाहीर केले।
Two deputy CMs is a big joke on all of us. It will only add to the state expenditure with no additional benefits. In fact, our state size is that of a district of other states. From that point of view, I would suggest that we require only one chief minister and two ministers. Leave aside two deputy chief ministers. The post of deputy chief minister has no place in the constitution or even in the business rules. It has no status except that an executive order has been passed giving the status of deputy chief minister to them. It helps them to have a pilot car and maybe to put their photos in all the government advertisements that are issued. But for us in Goa, there is absolutely no benefit of having a post of deputy chief minister. The position that may not be in the realm of the courts to adjudicate, because the governor has sworn them in as ministers. They are not sworn in as deputy chief ministers. And it is only an executive order that has been passed by the government designating them as deputy chief ministers. The court may not enter that area at all.
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खबराकार रमेश नायक राउत।